Hello everyone, I hope everyone is fine out there. If you are new here, I am Rengso Mirza and welcome to Rengso Diary. Yes, please subscribe and click the notification bell and watch the video till the end. Yes, today we will talk about a very common problem when we make videos and even when we click good pictures for social medias, Facebook, Instagrams and all those. Yes, so that is the lighting. We have always a problem with the lighting. So I just was going through a video about making soft light. So I thought let us try together with you all, and you all also can see how it is made, and you too can make it for yourself and make your videos good. So this is before we use any light. This is just natural light, just one bulb that is not very normal. So let us go to the making of this soft light. Watch the video till the end. Okay, so let's go. So we have this cardboard, normal cardboard, the aluminum foil, gum glue, and this is for, I don't know what do we call this, but this is for sticking the cardboard. So this is the pistol for Xem bây giờ Okay, so this is how we've made the bulb, and this is aluminum foil. So it's better if we cover everything, okay? And so this is not the final. So now we have to put white cloth to diffuse the light and make it soft. Okay, so I'll just put and show you. This is how it looks now. Okay. So this is how it looks with the light that we have made, and I have set it up here to the right side. And yes, let us just put it off and see the difference with the light and without the light. So yes, the quality is not good as with the light, so let us put it on again. So you have seen the difference, and I don't look much good here even with the light, because I'm not sundar like you all. So you all are very handsome, pretty, so you all will look much more beautiful, much more handsome with this simple light that you can make at home. And so your photos, your videos will become much better. So if you like the video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up by liking the video. Okay, sorry. So if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like the video, and if you have not subscribed, once again I'm requesting you, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you have already subscribed, please keep supporting. It is only because of your love that I keep myself motivated to make more videos, and I will also keep on making more videos. So once again, thank you and thank you and thank you and thank you.